bitches. In the who? Right now. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Go buy some of that merch for the Dazzlers. Saffron's mum's there. Fangirling much. Louis inside his bus, but I don't want to like interrupt him because he was like speaking to people. And then I got a picture of Raya. So this is actually my first time in London, first time at a convention, first time going in the underground. It's the first time for everything. Yeah, just admiring the view. I wonder if any like YouTubers are in them rooms. Is it even a hotel? Surely it is. See the iMac up there? Maybe that's Morgan's room because he would bring in his iMac. Fast track who?
You don't have to. Hello. How are you? Nice to meet you. That is a massive compliment.
Boo Saffron's over there and she looks absolutely stunning, as usual. We just fast tracked through the Ferris line and now we are here at the Ballinger Family. It's so cute. Who they are, but I'm just gonna, I don't know who it is, stick them in the vlog. Oh, it's so blurry. We're not meeting it with my bees over there. We're meeting it tomorrow though. It's fine. Okay. Lucy's off. We're meeting him in the meet and greet tomorrow, but of course she has to go. He's tried to disguise himself, but it's not really worked.
What's your vlog called?
Jade Maguire.
Okay.
Look who it is.
It's me.
Daz Black.
I'm in this vlog right now. Subscribe. It's dazzling in here. It's fabulous.
I'm meeting you tomorrow.
You are? You're meeting me now?
Yeah.
You've cheated. Subscribe. Seriously. Subscribe.
Just subscribe to Daz.
Awesome.
Bye.
See you later.
Thank you. Vlog. Did you? So Daz Black was just on my vlog. I'm now quitting my YouTube career.
My legs have gone to jello. Just talking to him.
Kiera's over there. Roger, we're up there. Lucy's having a freak out. Guys, she waved at us. Meet and greet's finished for the day. I think we're going to find McFlurry's now. Yeah.
I want to go wait at the stage for road trip.
There's 4 hours and she already wants to go stand there.
Yeah, because everyone else will be wait.
Life rules. Possibly the most expensive jacket potato I'm going to buy in my life. Better be worth it.
You're going to take it like that? Are you going to smash it? No. Oh, hi vlog. Oh, that's all good.
So I think you know what questions I'm reading now.
KSI. Is that the question?
Yeah.
It has to be the fastest answer ever.
So like, strength-wise, still be KSI.
Strength-wise? I don't know, because some people, they look big and then they're not strong. So Logan could be potentially big and not strong. I think Logan's better, so Logan's going to be a much stronger player. Height, stature. I reckon Logan's going to be a
So everybody put your listening ears on. Lend me your listening ears. All right, y'all, tell me by a show of hands if this is a good Southern accent. Also a show of hands, how many people have accepted the Lord Jesus Christ into their hearts? By a show of hands, hallelujah for you. For the rest of y'all, well, have fun, you know? You're happy, can I do Jewish? Is that racist? Okay, it is. The reaction from the crowd, everyone's like, so you're all holding your breaths, I'm going to relieve you. Hello! Welcome to my show. I sound like King Candy from Wreck-It Ralph. Was a boy named Harry, destined to be a star. His parents were killed by Voldemort. Requires a clever Gryffindor. Draco is a Daggett boy. Quirrell becomes a boy. The Sorcerer's Stone is destroyed by Dumbledore. Godfather, I don't really get it either. Some protein, the Tri-Wizard, Tornado, with dragons and mermaids. Oh no! But in one final duel between good and bad, he may take his final breath. Thanks, guys. Long if you know it, and if you don't, you know, prepare to be offended or whatever you do. Can we get a little more volume on the mic and the monitor? And then, here we go. Did I double click? Oh, it's letting me, okay. If you've ever wondered why Disney tales all end in lies, here's what happened after all their dreams came true. I loved being princess down in this beautiful ocean blue. I'm a king, but I'm slightly scared. I was once a mark for the war on terror. Aladdin was taken by the sea. I saw Leo Agony be drowning in lava. This town's gone wild since I married Adam. They think I'm going straight to hell. She'll burn in hell. But the charges laid on me of bestiality could wind up getting me thrown in a cell. She is a no. I'm overrun by madmen. I hear they plan to burn me at the stake, which will fly back to Belfast.
have a brand new single that is out right now.
That I just had the splish pad. Oh wait, she's still singing road trip. We just got back to the part of London that we're staying in. Such a good day. Oh, I feel like I've done a week in a day. How was your first road trip concert? It was pretty good. If my feet hadn't have been dying. Oh, can we go?
Subscribe. It's dazzling in here. See you later. Bye, vlog.